This is a visualization of recent data from India's market regulator, SEBI. It tracks every single trader in the futures and options market over a full financial year. 91% of these traders lost money, averaging a 15,000 rupee deficit, but a tiny 9% cluster turned a profit. They operated with extreme emotional discipline. They ignored market noise, executing based on technical skills honed over years of practice, capabilities no traditional classroom provides. That same illusion that participation guarantees success plays out across our entire economy. We treat a traditional university degree as an automatic financial safety net, but this chart of the periodic labor force survey data tells a completely different story. The national unemployment rate hovers around 3.1%. For people with no formal degree, that number is virtually zero. For graduates, unemployment spikes to 13%. Sinking time and money into tuition creates high expectations. If an entry-level job falls short, they refuse it. Months pass, technical skills stagnate, and the gap between their expected salary and market reality widens. The alternative is building a career based strictly on acquiring high-leverage skills that businesses actively need today. This doesn't mean you should blindly drop out tomorrow. It means recognizing the sheer volume of input required to build a proof-of-work portfolio, tangible evidence of what you can actually do to solve a business problem. With graduate unemployment hitting triple the national average, a verifiable portfolio provides the competitive edge that a degree no longer guarantees. This matrix breaks down the modern degree-agnostic economy into 3 categories. We'll start by expanding the technical builders, roles like web development, UI/UX design, and ethical hacking. These roles require mastery over complex systems. You have to understand system architectures, the nuances of design platforms like Figma, and the technical persistence required to hunt for software vulnerabilities. AI tools can write basic code now, but those products rarely scale. The market pays for the deep technical understanding required to build robust, secure systems that AI cannot architect on its own. Technical builders convert this expertise into leverage, often commanding high-paying contracts and recurring revenue through the systems they maintain. Take this real-world example from an ethical hacker. After finding critical bugs on a corporate site, he was offered options: a flat 2 lakh rupee payout, or a package combining 1 lakh upfront with a 20,000 rupee monthly retainer to monitor the site going forward. He negotiated based on the value he provided, not the hours he worked. The trade-off is isolation. This work is solitary, and it demands hundreds of unpaid hours building a public portfolio on GitHub or Behance before you can secure your first client. But once those portfolios are live, they serve as your resume. A strong GitHub repository allows you to bypass the standard HR screening process entirely. Technical builders trade the immediate social validation of a diploma for undeniable market value. The second category is the growth engines. This includes roles directly tied to revenue generation, like performance marketing and B2B or B2C sales. The daily inputs are intense. You have to manage digital ad budgets, adapt to platform algorithms on Google and Meta, and develop the mental resilience to handle constant daily rejection. These roles offer unique leverage because your work is directly correlated to the company's bottom line. You are the engine bringing revenue in. Because of that direct link, the financial outcomes scale rapidly. Even at Tier 2 digital agencies, performance marketers can command strong salaries, while sales professionals earn uncapped commissions based on the deals they close. Affiliate marketing is a highly scalable subset of this category, where you earn a percentage of sales generated through your specific audience. This photograph shows how affiliate marketing operated long before the internet. Tupperware presenters demonstrated products to their personal networks, earning a commission on every container they sold in their local community. Modern digital affiliate links operate on the same logic. Instead of hosting 30 people in a living room, a single link in a newsletter or video description can reach millions, generating a stream of passive income around the clock. Growth engines trade the comfort of a guaranteed, steady paycheck for the high-stress, high-reward reality of earning exactly what they produce. The final category is the content architects, specifically top-tier video editing. Top-tier editing requires the study of audience retention metrics, visual pacing, and the psychological cues that keep a viewer from clicking away. Editors who master this command absolute location independence. They work remotely from anywhere in the world, often earning annual incomes that exceed entry-level corporate salaries. The hidden trade-off is grueling. The screen time is relentless, the burnout rate is high, and if you aren't consistently driving viewer retention, you are easily replaced by cheaper labor. Content architects must evolve past software operation. Their true economic value lies in their ability to capture and hold human attention in a market saturated by AI-generated noise. The problem with acquiring these skills is time. If you are enrolled in college or working a full-time job, you likely cannot afford to quit everything to study code or run ad campaigns. The escape velocity framework splits into two paths: college or working. Rule 1. Maintain your baseline stability. Do not quit your job or classes. Instead, trade your free time. Your nights and weekends are entirely dedicated to building your secondary track. During those off hours, you execute in phases. You start by absorbing free content online, move to structured boot camps, and then take on unpaid internships to get real-world practice and build your public portfolio. Listen, there is no shortcut here. This framework requires 12 to 36 months of severe time poverty and mental fatigue. If you are a student, use the university strictly for its network and social safety net, but understand that your actual economic value is being built outside the classroom. If you are a working professional, use your day job to pay your rent while you quietly build market leverage on the side. The metric for a successful transition is the 3-month rule. You only resign from your job or fully pivot away from your degree when your side income outpaces your primary income for 3 consecutive months, not before. The temptation to quit the moment you land your first client will be intense, but acting on that emotion before building true, sustainable leverage often leads to financial instability. While a degree offers social proof, the transition to verifiable skill builds the financial independence required to work on your own terms.